Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Saturday, August 20th, 3:33 p.m. New York time. Tech stocks. We'll look at the big tech stocks. And we'll look at each candle represent a week because we just finished another week. And we're already are halfway through the month of August. Yeah. The technology stocks have been the best performers, specifically in the NASDAQ index. If you look at the NASDAQ 100 index, you see that index is the best performing stock index. And that obviously makes up the technology stocks. We're going to first look at several industries within the technology. First would be communication equipment. This is a 1-year chart. And again, each candle is 1 week. Stock symbol, Juliet, November, Pop-up Romeo, Jupiter Networks. Green for the week, higher high, higher low. Trading above this consolidation, very nice. Bullish pin bar, stop hunt in this consolidation. That's what we like to see. Very nice. So the momentum's to the upside. Let's put this back a little bit longer. 3 years. Yep. Steep retracement. Looks like in yep, right there. Came into this consolidation. Wow. Almost up to the penny right there. Right there. Tested it. Went around. Nice. Next one. Charlie Sierra, Charlie Oscar, Cisco. Broke above this consolidation. Excuse me. Okay, I'm back. Broke above this consolidation, closed above it, rejecting $50. Makes sense. This huge impulse move down. That's the high. Horizontal line gray area and rejecting it right now. But again, the momentum's to the upside. Let's put this a little further back, 3 years. It's good. Turn around for a lot of these. Next, Charlie Alpha Lima X-ray. Impulse move up, went inside this supply zone, had a push higher. Now it's in a retracement. That's good. Midpoint right there. This is strong looking stock. So again, one should consider to look buy in the dip, buy in the pullback on weakness. Echo, Romeo, India, Charlie, Ericsson. Yeah, that's not looking so good. Wow. Look at these huge candles down. Solid bodies nearly. Impulse move lower. So again, retracement and already feeling distribution going down. Nokia, November, Oscar, Kilo. Well, that's interesting. Wow. Huge impulse move up and selling off 5. So right now the trend is down. Still struggling. India, November, Sierra, Goff. Yeah, that's still looking weak. It's a penny stock. It's below $5. Yeah. So that's the communications equipment industry. Let's go on. Look at computer hardware. Lima, Oscar, Goff, India. Wow. Big sell-off, almost a solid body. That's not good. Hotel Papa Quebec. HP, Hewlett Packard. Okay, that's a suspicious candle. Yeah. Huge trading range, tiny little body, and then body is so small, it's below the midpoint of the candle. Distribution, that's much more leaning bearish. Couldn't make it up to that swing high. Yeah, I would not be buying up here. No. Look for potential pullback. Let's just take this on a daily. I'm interested to see what's going on in the daily. Oh, let's keep the drawings. So right now we're looking at daily for 1 year time frame. Keep the drawings from the weekly. Yeah, I have to follow this closely, but the trend is currently back down. So you might have further retracement. Might have a tight minor retracement up or will move up before it has a further decline. And that looks interesting there. That looks suspicious, like it was distribution. Smart money might have been selling. Let's load up volume on here. Let's see if there's any singles. Which makes sense. You have tiny little bodies, little wicks, and then you have that final push up higher, which is a fake out, and then a rollover. Yeah. Wow. So these tiny little candles actually had higher volume, but the stocks were not going higher. So again, tight little trading range. So they were hitting a ceiling, and that's where they were selling out. So every time a new order came in, there were more sellers than buyers, so you couldn't make the price go higher. Oh, that's pretty suspicious. Yep. But that's how it works. Dell Computer, Delta Echo Lima Lima. Also a red candle. And that looks kind of suspicious too. Yeah. Huge impulse move down and a retracement. Whiskey, Delta Charlie, Western Digital. Nice consolidation here. Inside candle for the week. And little demand zone down here. Have this gap that's got to get filled still here. But it looks like consolidation. Solid staircase pattern higher high. That's looking good. Sierra, Tango, X-Ray, Seagate Technology. Same thing. Consolidation. Looks like they want us to push higher. Alpha, November, Echo, Tango. Nice. Look at that. A lot of green. A lot of green. The trend is up. So that was computer hardware. Looking better than the other. Let's go on to the next. Internet content and information. Sierra, November, Alpha, Papa, Snap. Yeah. Still a chance it's going to go down to $5. It's garbage. Snap. Zulu, Godzilla. Huge sell-off already this past week. That's not looking good. Papa, India, November, Sierra, Pinterest. Also, look at that. Selling off already. Not looking good. Tango Whiskey, Tango Romeo, Twitter. So I've been watching this much more active looking. Well, I've been doing trades on this, swing trades every so often. So huge candle down, impulse move down, midpoint. I labeled there a long time ago. Mentioned it was bullish for a period, doing bull put spreads, ran up. Look at that. That green, well, last week came red, made a higher high, higher low than that green one. Small little candle, shot midpoint. Zoom in. So I want to expect you might have a reverse and pullback. So looking for the opportunities to trade bearish. Let's put this on a daily. Switch my drawings to a daily. Now we're looking at 1 year, a daily. Zoom in. So there's a gap, a minor gap here, but there's a gap here. And look at all those little tiny candles, bodies, trading range. So let's put the volume on here. It's also a gap down here, small one, gaps down here. Yeah. Might have a further sell-off. It's the opportunity to make money on the downside trading this in bearish. That's funny. Yeah, I'm calling this bearish distribution. Put this back on weekly. So come Monday, I'll be looking for opportunities to trade short using options. Goff, Romeo, Papa, November, Groupon. Huge sell-off. Not surprised. It's just been slaughtered for most of the year. It's not good. Sierra, Tango, X-Ray, Shutterstock. Who still uses that company? Yeah, that's not looking good neither. Okay, internet content information. Not looking good. Let's go on to the next. Semiconductor. Oof. First one, Intel. India, November, Tango, Charlie. Well, that's the low of the year right here. Made a higher high, higher low now. Small trading range. Still looks like it's in trouble. November Victor Delta Alpha. Yeah. Consolidation, red candle. It's got some selling up here, but it's nice because the upside bodies are bigger bodies and the sell-offs are smaller. So it's working on a slow grind to the upside. Alpha Sierra Mike Lima. Inside candle in acceleration. That's looking good. As long as it doesn't break this swing low, it's still good. Alpha Victor Golf Oscar, also massive consolidation. And these 2 past weeks, long tails on the bottom, buyers holding it up. Might see this break up and go higher. Tango X-Ray November, Texas Instruments. Was a big solid candle, but again, holding above 175 in the acceleration phase. Nice. Lima Romeo Charlie X-Ray. Yeah, similar. So it's interesting. These several of them very similar. Very similar. Makes sense. Okay, let's go on to the next group of semiconductors. Alpha Mike Alpha Tango Applied Materials. Yep, same thing in acceleration. Still looking strong for the upside. Alpha Delta India. Oof. So tested the swing high here both times, rejected it. Let's remove that and sold off lower low, lower low, lower. Yeah, that's not good. Whiskey Oscar Lima Foxtrot Wolf Speed. What a name, Wolf Speed. Nice, huge impulse move up, huge. Very good. Did it have earnings yet? Yeah, 817 had earnings already. Yeah, must have been positive. Bunch of buyers stepped in there. AMD Alpha Mike Delta, 2 weeks in a row inside bodies consolidation. I'm going to expect maybe this is going to break out to the upside because it's holding up. Put an arrow there. Facing up. I'm more leaning bullish bias on this. Let's also look at the daily to see if there's some kind of distribution or something I want to be aware of. Situation. Well, that's good. It's demand zone right there. Buyer stepping in. So they didn't even wait for the full back. Buyer stepping. Yeah, that's looking bullish. So one might consider to buy if come Monday it breaks above this high of that candle right there. Might be a trigger. Yep, nice. Let me also label this one. Maybe I'll come back later and look at the price option pricing on Monday when the market's open. Mike Uniform, Micron Technology. Yeah, that's looking bullish too. So I would wait because it's a solid body. Go into a red one. I would wait for pullback to retest this swing low before I would be buying it, as long as it doesn't break that. Consolidation. So I'll actually put this on a daily. Yeah. So we're looking at a 1-year daily, but my same drawings I have from the weekly. Yeah, certainly wait for that to retest. Actually, let's put this on volume. See that? Interesting. Huge volume. So this was a trend down. On the bottom of this trend, huge volume. They typically like to be retested when you have a low of a trend with huge volume and when you have a high of a trend with huge volume. So I want to expect this to get retest. So on a retest here, I'll be looking for a potential trade. Meaning if it breaks below this on strength, goes short. If it retests this on lighter volume, look for that candle trigger to be buying. Very interesting. Qualcomm, massive consolidation, but it looks like still got demand there. Put this on the daily. Look at, I'm giving you a bonus. I'm showing you multiple time frames. Yeah, this is a wedge. Interesting. So Qualcomm on the daily building a wedge and making higher highs, higher lows. Might become a bullish wedge for the opportunity. Let's put this back on the, it's looking good. Let's put this back on the weekly. Yep. Pull back in here on weakness. Look for entry. Okay, that's semiconductors. Quite a few interesting stocks in there. Let's go to the next industry. Software application. Sierra Hotel Oscar Papa. Shopee. Yeah, that's garbage. Oh, that's terrible down there. Charlie Romeo Mike Salesforce, also garbage, as much retail is. Intuit India November Tango Uniform. Okay, I'll wait for a pullback. That's looking suspicious. Alpha Delta Sierra K Kilo Autodesk. Nice. Red candle, higher high, higher low. Just again, wait for the impulse. But again, it's been going up. It's coming into earnings. Earnings on 8/24 after the market closes. Massive supply up here. Let's just put this weekly volume. Again, suspicious. It's coming to earnings and they're running it up. So we'll see what happens. Yep. Let's put this on daily now. On daily. Let's put the drawings from the daily too. Yep. That's not good. So tiny trading range already broke below 225. That gap there, it's not filled yet. Let's label that gap. Did I label it on the daily? There we go. There's the gap. That gap may get filled. May get filled. And it could break below that gap too. That'll be something to watch. Yeah, I will not be buying this one right now yet. Massive consolidation down here too. So this consolidation, if it breaks below there, could go lower. Yep, this might be one of the ones going down to 200. Whiskey Delta Alpha Yankee. Yeah, same thing. Want to expect a pullback here. Romeo November Golf Ring Central. Oh, new low for the year. Bad. Okay, let's continue on to the software. Again, software application, the second ones I have. Charlie Oscar Uniform Papa. Oh, that's hard sell-off. That's looking bad. Hotel Uniform Bravo Sierra, also hard sell-off. Alpha Victor Lima Romeo. Oh, that's suspicious. Yeah, not looking good. That's real suspicious. Let's pull volume up on that. Hello. Huge volume, small little candle, massive distribution, followed by another massive distribution. Oh, because it had earnings too right there. Oops, wrong one. Let's change this to daily. Earnings were 8.8. They already passed. Zoom in. Very suspicious. Got to look into that news. Something happened there that it's yeah, read the news later. Interesting. Uber Uniform Bravo Echo Romeo. Look at that huge impulse move up there. Finally, when it was at the year's lows, went up. Massive sell-off already. Retracement. Okay. Lyft, same thing. Massive sell-off already. Coming off the lows. And Charlie Oscar India November. Coinbase, a cryptocurrency exchange that has so many problems. Government regulations screwing customers. False, yeah, lots of problems. Bad. It's amazing how somebody would still want to buy these stocks or buy cryptocurrencies when there's so many problems coming out with them by a lot of people not able to do distribution, cash out. Yeah, so shady. The business model. Okay. Business model of the cryptocurrency exchanges, the regulatory. Yep. Let's go to the next. Go to software infrastructure. Oscar Romeo Charlie Lima Oracle. It's finally above the low of the year. Up there we go. Tiny little trading range up there. That's suspicious. Put on the daily. Yeah, it looks like distribution. Throw up some volume. Again, you may not always see it in volume, but the candles, much stronger indicators. Yep. It's interesting. So here you had a consolidation, breakout to the upside consolidation, small little candles. And look at these ones that went down on red, more volume. So went up on lighter volume, put back on heavier volume. Massive selling. Same thing here. Same thing there. We were almost near this high. We couldn't even get to that high. Massive selling. Yep, that's not looking good. Get this up on a weekly. Actually, let me see if I have drawings for the daily. Yeah, but I'd rather yeah, keep this on a weekly. Put my little arrow up here, and later on come back and watch that one. Microsoft, Mike, Sierra, Foxtrot, Tango, same thing, right into a supply zone, already selling off. BB, BlackBerry, yeah, oof, hard sell off already there. Adobe, Alpha, Delta, Bravo, Echo, also sell off, as much of the market has been. Hotel, Oscar, Delta, Robinhood, technology company, stockbroker, did many people wrong. Look at that. Massive sell-off already. Not good. November, Echo, Tango, Net, also a massive sell-off. So there we go. Looked at the technology sector, and we looked at, was it 8 different industries inside of it. So there's some strength in a few, but majority of them having sell-off, just like the market's showing. Many thanks for watching.